Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I'd like to turn the microphone over to two very special people to our newlyweds. Leading things off, we'd like to turn the microphone over to our best man, Jack. Let's have a nice warm round of applause for Jack, everyone.
Everybody hear me? In the tradition of breaking traditions, I figure I'd keep this speech short and sweet. I just want to say, Wei Jen, welcome to the family. I love you. When we first met, we didn't get along very well. Here we are 4 years later. I'm just kidding. Welcome to the family. Matt, you're my best friend. And you know, as soon as a brother finds out his younger brother's getting married, it's like, oh man, I'm losing my brother. But it's not like that at all. We're best friends, him and I. And I'm gaining a great sister. To the Mile family, welcome to the McConnells. With this ring that we wed, we love you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have another warm round of applause for our best man tonight. Please put your hands together for Jack. And now, folks, we'd like to turn the microphone over to Faith, as she has a few words for our bride and groom as well. Let's have another warm round of applause for Faith, everyone.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Wei Jen, Roy, Matt. I'm so excited to be here. Wei Jen has been my sister. You might not tell visually, but we are sisters for the past 20 years. Matt's actually been a part of my life for probably even longer, thanks to my brother. So I feel uniquely prepared for this day because I'm seeing two of my favorite people end up together. And you won't find two better people. Sorry. Anyway, I love them both, and this is a special toast for Matt, but even though there's no champagne, I'd just like to say it's abouttime.com, and I'm very happy to be here.net. I love you both, and thank you for having me. Everybody, I love it.org.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Faith, everyone. Let's have a nice round of applause for her. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the staff of Dish Catering, they have an amazing meal in store for you tonight. We'd like to invite you to make your way down to your tables. If there's anything they can do to make your stay more special, please let one of them know. If there's something you'd like to hear tonight, please let one of us know. We've got everything from oldies to 80s to 90s. And inside this room, open right now, is our photo booth. We invite you to go inside, take some photographs, leave Wei Jen and Matt a beautiful video message, and also put your memories into their memory book. So our photo booth is open at this time in the room right over here on my right-hand side. Enjoy your meal.